Technology.
Let's make a volcano! Paper cup. Clay. Paint the volcano. Then add some decorations. Hurry up! The volcano is going to erupt. Next, add those materials to the volcano's crater.
Baking soda.
Red paint.
Detergent.
White vinegar.
My volcano is truly amazing. However, compared to an actual volcanic eruption, this is nothing. Really.
The volcano is amazing. Let's watch the volcanic eruption.
The volcano spews a lot of hot magma.
Thick volcanic ash blocks the sunlight. The fire from the blazing mountain has melted that small car.
Volcanic eruptions are so cool, but why do volcanoes erupt? The idea of turning up the kids. Keki arrived at the center of the Earth's interior experience. Push the lever and head to the Earth's interior. This is the outermost layer of the Earth's crust, consisting of hard rock. The ground we stand on is the Earth's crust, right? You're right. Wow, why is it getting hot and hotter? This is the mantle layer. The temperature here is very high. It's extremely hot. Keki will turn into a roast duck. This will get hotter. What is that? This is the Earth's core, which is the center of the Earth and as hot as the surface of the sun. Amazing! Did you notice that? The structure of the Earth is like an egg? Like an egg. How is that possible? Cut an egg and you will see. Let's cut the egg.
Let's compare. This is the Earth's crust. Which part of the egg is like the Earth's crust? Tap and find the answer. Egg yolk. You're right. The Earth's crust only occupies a thin layer of the Earth. This is the Earth's mantle. Where is the mantle that looks like an egg? Egg white. The innermost part of the Earth is the core. Which part of the egg looks like that? Yolk!
So this is what the interior of the Earth looks like, just like a boiled egg.
Hey, but does a volcanic eruption have anything to do with this? No need to rush. Let's go to the mantle layer.
See what happens when all these rocks become very hot. The melting rocks turn into magma. Look, magma penetrates the cracks in the Earth's crust. Magma and gas emerge from the ground. This is a volcanic eruption. So that's how the mechanism works.